A, B, C, and D are numbers such that A is to B is 2 is to 7, B is to C is 2 is to 11, C is to D is 2 is to 13. The value of D square is 100, 2001, or really not really. It's, if you say the whole thing, it would be 1,000,000 2001. um, so what is the value of A square? So for this question, what I can do is I will write out the ratios. So A out of B equals 2 out of 7, and then you have B out of C is 2 out of 11, and C out of D is 2 out of 13. So we can say A out of B multiplied by B out of C multiplied by C out of D. That would give us 2 out of 7 multiplied by 2 out of 11 multiplied by 2 out of 13. And you can see we can cancel these out, and we are left with A out of D equals 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 7 times 11 times 13. Now we've been given D square. So what I can do is, if I can square it, probably it'll help. So I can write, therefore A square out of D square would be square of these numbers. So there are 3 2's, we'll have 6 2's, or rather we can have 8 times 8. So then 7 times 11 times 13 multiplied by 7 times 11 times 13. So we can say, therefore A square would be D square multiplied. So we'll put in the value of D square, 100, and then 2001 multiplied by 8 times 8 and divided by 7 times 11 times 13 multiplied by 7 times 11 times 13. And so let us break this, let us work this out, not break this. We can break this number down. 100 and then 2001. It is a palindromic number, so it is probably divisible by 11, which it probably is. So then we can try. What will it be? So if I do 11 times, first is, if n times 9 is 99, and 100, 11 times 1 is 11, and 112, that is 0, and then 109 is 99, and 101. So we get 91091, and then it will, if I were to divide it by 11 again, where is the other 11? So if I were to do it by 11 again, so I would get 11 times 91, so 11 times 8 is 88, and 3, so 11 times 2 is 22, and 89, 11 times 8 is 88, and 189, and 11 times 1, so I get 8281. So is 8281 divisible by 7? 8281 divided by 7 would give me 7 times 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 7, and 5, 12. 7 times 8 is 56, yes, and 2 and 3. So if I were to divide by 7, I would get 1183, and then there are 2 13s still, so I will have to try it again. If this divided by 7 gives me 7 times 1, 7, and 48, 7 times 6 is 42, and 163, 9, 169. So the other 7 goes, and I get 169. So it's a very good number, as you can see, because 13 times 13 is 169. So my final cancellation here, 13 times 13 would give me 169, and I'm left with a square equals 8 times 8, and that equals 64. So the value of a square equals 64. That's the answer.